So the reason why I decided finally to look into other alternatives for my hair loss, I actually have had the issue since I was a teenager. My parents had actually taken me to Mayo Clinic, had done a lot of clinical studies on me at that time, and had found nothing wrong with me. So, however, I was very self-conscious for very many years, and finally made the leap of faith to give this a try. It's definitely liberating knowing that, and also understanding that there's other women out there that have had the same issue as myself. I've always been very, even though many have told me that you wouldn't be able to tell because I would cover it up with either powders or other options to not see, especially because it's in my crown area. But this definitely will build and boost my confidence that I never had to experience before.